Hey folks, Mac T here, and guess what? 10,000 subscriber celebration YouTube video with a spa day for Lulu Bell, the 2011 Ford Edge. It's the road warrior that she is. So we're going to go ahead, talk to Andrew, is it?
Yes, it's Andrew.
Andrew is the one that's going to do the miraculous spa day for Lou, and he is with Vibrant Auto Detail?
Vibrant Mobile Detailing in Quad Cities.
Vibrant Mobile Detailing in Quad Cities. Heard nothing but good stuff about him. So he's apparently pretty good at this. So we're going to go ahead and have this detail done. And Andrew's going to tell us real quick what I'm going to get for this detail.
Okay, so you got the number 5 package. It's going to come with a 3-step exterior. It's going to be wash, paint correction. You're going to get a polish on there, and then also a wax.
Okay.
And then as far as the, you also got a clay bar treatment, so we're going to go ahead and clay that before we polish it to get all the road cabinets off and iron deposits.
Okay, so it'll look really shiny then when we're done.
Yep, and then the clay bar is really going to smooth out the paint, so that's going to make the wax go on a lot better. It's going to make it a lot easier for polishing. We got the headlight restoration, both sides.
Oh, new headlights, folks.
So we're going to sand these down with various grits of sandpaper. And then we're going to go ahead and polish them with different grades of polishes and different pads. And those are going to come out a lot clearer. You'll probably see these. And then we'll go ahead and polish this chrome up here too a little bit.
Okay.
As far as the inside goes, we're going to do a deep interior clean. We're going to do spotless windows. We're going to do a full vacuum in between all the seats. We're going to do a leather seats. I see you got leather seats in there. We're going to do a deep cleaning on the leather seats additionally.
Okay. Well, it sounds like Lou is going to have a great day. And you're even going to do her toenails, right?
Yes.
All right. He's going to do the wheels, make them nice and shiny too. But, hey, I'm going to let Andrew go to it. I'm going to not bother him. And we're going to see as we go. I'll do a time lapse and everything else. And we'll see what's going on. Vibrant Detail, folks. Nice little mobile van here. What kind of van is this thing anyway? Look at that. Man, I thought Lou was full of stuff. Look at this. Organized too. A lot better than me. All ready to go. He's got the ladders and everything he needs so he don't scratch anything. Lots of gloves. What do we call this truck anyway?
It's a Dodge.
Oh, it's a Dodge. Oh, generator. Do you use a foam cannon?
Yes, we do.
All right. I'm going to get a picture of that. I got to have a foam cannon. Cute. This is a nice little truck. All set to go. Vibrant. There we go. All the business is right here. Looks like he sits on the job too. So anyway. Sorry about the noise, folks. The neighbors are getting their roof redone. So it's going to be a noisy video today. Yep, this is what I'm working with. Neighbors are redoing their roof, so it's making it hard for a YouTube video today. But anyway, let's carry on with the cleaning. like a debugging spray?
This is actually DIMA's water.
Oh, okay. Helps get the bugs off, huh?
Yep, and then this is the clay pad we actually use.
Okay.
Then we use a plain bar for smaller spaces. This actually works a lot better.
Faster too.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, we're getting there. Still working on it, but got a little bit of clay barring going on. Got some shininess going here. Exposing a lot of the Road Warrior chips and everything else that were going on here. But look at that. Yeah, see my nasty legs? Looking good. Wheels starting to look a lot better. Holy cow. Never seen this old Lou looking this clean. This is crazy. Crazy. Getting there. I think he's going to do a wax on her to buff everything up. Doing a little bit of clay bar already.
Yep, so we're going to move on to clay bars again. We're going to move on to a polish now, and then after we get the polish, we're going to put the wax on.
Wow, that seen better days, huh?
I'm gonna get the front end last. I'm actually gonna let that dry out a little bit, and I'm gonna with the front. I'm gonna hit that with the hand clay bar.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get the smaller stuff in the front. I'm gonna start polishing the rest of that and let that dry.
The rest is a lot better condition, so to speak. Going to work on the headlights now. Maybe I can see a little better at night when I'm driving in the dark.
That's right.
Care clients all over the state of Iowa.
Oh, really? Okay.
So they're going to try to get Lou's headlights working pretty. Get some of that road abuse off of them. I was asking Andrew if he'd ever detailed a nearly 300,000 mile vehicle. Mm-hmm. Apparently it's the first time.
Yeah, I've only detailed a couple, and I've been at it a lot longer. If it has 300,000 miles, that means it's been maintained well, huh?
Oh yeah.
Cars will run for a long time if you do the right things to them.
Headlights are looking peaked though.
Yeah. Some stuff's inevitable, but I'm talking the engines.
Oh yeah. I do all sorts of maintenance on the engine.
Yeah.
And the transmission. Check that out. Nice and clean. Can't get any better than that. Hands down, far better. Alright folks, Mac T here, and they cleaned Lulubelle to the nth degree, and now I got a car I don't even want to drive. It's that good. But we have Tanner, the owner, fine young man that he is, and then of course Andrew did all the hard work. Tanner just come in to back him up. But either way, if you guys want Vibrant Mobile Detail, this is probably the folks you need to get a hold of. I'll put links down below in the description. That way you can go to their website, check everything out. And you work in Florida too, right?
We do, Southwest Florida.
All right, you members that are in Florida, look him up. He's down there, especially if you got an RV, right?
That's right.
Specializes in RVs, but he'll do your car too while he's down there. Andrew, thank you so much, man. You did a great work.
Thank you.
And I know you're scared a little bit at the beginning, but we got over that. And Tanner, thank you for running a great company.
Yes, thanks a lot.
And thank you for watching, folks. We'll see y'all next time. Remember, my feet hit the floor. And it's a great day, and I want you to have a great day too. Remember, MACTFORDEDGE on Facebook and on YouTube, MACT Garage on YouTube, and MACT Garage on Facebook. And Band of One's got some great music to play at the end of this, and Mercy Girl's got a couple one-liners for you, and maybe a little bonus footage at the end.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.
As you can see, transmission fluid tap is 134. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what is at the dipstick level. Make sure that we're raising up like we're supposed to. Then we'll do another drain and fill.